here says 72 south.
That matches the manifest. Let's move up 50 meters.
I've never seen anything like this formation.
How could it have been preserved?
The readings are off the charts.
Structural integrity seems compromised here.
According to the sensor data, the alloy is barely holding together at this temperature.
Approaching waypoint 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining course. Chunk is really stuck in here.
Be careful, don't rush it. We can't damage the compressor.
This section of the long run is completely compromised.
Wait, look here at the rib. It's deflected. Noted.
The displacement is clear in the scan data as well.
Look at the state of this corrosion on the bulkhead.
Yeah, that's worse than we thought. We'll need to treat all of this before riveting the new panel.
Apply pressure slowly to station 4.
Copy that. Increasing PSI now. Keep an eye on the laser alignment.
Check the alignment target on the right stabilizer. It's slightly high.
Okay, making the adjustment now. It's holding steady.
Okay, easy now. Watch the hydraulic line. Clear on this side. Keep coming down 5 inches.
Are you getting a good reading on that torque wrench?
Almost there. Just a little more pressure and we should be within spec.
Are you getting a good reading on that torque wrench?
Almost there. Just a little more pressure and we should be within spec. Easy now. Lower on the left side.
Copy that. Coming down slow. Looks good there.
Look here. See the pitting on the leading edge.
Yeah, definitely structural fatigue.
Look at that fluctuation. The pressure's all over the place.
Yeah, that fitting is definitely leaking. Let's replace it now.
Easy now. Watch the clearance on cylinder 4.
Solid contact. We are fully seated.
Make sure the crane has clearance for the intake manifold.
Roger that. We need to verify the alignment before the final approach.
The hydraulics look good according to the schematic.
Confirmed. All connections secured. We are ready for the final inspection.
This junction box is completely shot. See how the corrosion spread?
I see it. Let's try to loosen the connection carefully.
How's the alignment on your side?
Perfect. The repair held up well.